Shannon, Queen of Adventure.
And I'm Jordan.
Today we are headed into Kings Canyon. We're going to do 2 waterfall hikes.
One is just a short trail off the road to Grand Rapids Falls, and the other one is an 8-mile hike into Mist Falls. We're really excited about both.
Super excited. If you want to see more about Kings Canyon, just keep watching.
To Kings Canyon.
Falls. It's just a short half-mile hike right off the road to see this beauty. We are starting our hike to Mist Falls.
About 1.5 miles into a 9-mile round trip hike, and guess what? It's raining again. Does not sound fun to do a 9-mile hike in the rain with no rain jacket.
I was about to say, are we prepared?
Definitely not prepared.
We are not prepared.
The answer is no.
So what do we do?
I don't know. Do we turn back, get our jacket, and come back? Do we try again tomorrow? Kings Canyon is not on our side.
Not with the weather.
2 weeks, yeah.
What are your thoughts?
We have blue skies over here where we came from. Gray skies where we're headed.
Definite rain that way.
Oh, it's sprinkling now. I think that we should just head back. Maybe try tomorrow, maybe try Zumwalt Meadow. It was down that way a little bit. Yeah?
Let's do it.
Zumwalt Meadow!
Zumwalt Meadow we come!
I cannot believe that it's been so long. I cannot believe that it's been so long.
Can you remind me what you said when we were walking out of the parking lot?
I didn't remember to bring my rain jacket.
For
what
some
did you
reason,
say?
we didn't think to turn around then.
Should have, because now it's raining.
Yep.
And now we have to turn around and can't hike to Mist Falls.
Well, we can. We'll just be
soaking wet little cats again.
soaking wet and freezing like Channel Islands.
Yes. Weather has not been on our side the month of May, but we are looking forward to sunny skies.
If you want to wish us better weather in future videos, hit that like button. So we decided to hike Zumwalt Meadow instead. It was a little ways from where we just were, but it is bright and sunny, and we're going to do this little loop here.
I cannot believe that it's been so long.
from here is incredible. You're just surrounded by these huge mountains, some of which are still covered in snow. So I'm really glad that we got rained out of our 8-mile hike and came here. driving down the road. People stopped in the middle of the road and we're like, get out of the middle of the road. And then we look to our right and there's a mama bear. We woke up this morning. It was a beautiful day, so we decided to attempt the Miss Falls hike again today. It's 9 miles to the top and back. We're about halfway to the top and cannot wait to see what it has in store for us.
Chasing waterfalls.
We're getting closer.
All done with the hikes for today. Overall, it turned out pretty great. We're headed to go find our camping spot for the night. We're gonna be dispersed camping in Sequoia National Forest. We have a spot already kind of picked out that we picked for us to stay at on the way in. So hopefully no one's there and we can still claim it as our own for the night. It turned out to be a pretty amazing day after all. We found this beautiful dispersed camping site. It's probably one of the best campsites I've ever stayed at.
We have a waterfall on that side of the road and the beautiful rapids behind us. We're so excited.
Gorgeous, it's level, which is beautiful for Big Booty Judy. Always a good thing. If you guys have any recommendations for favorite campsites, please let us know in the comments below. We're gonna be traveling all around the US and maybe we'll be able to stay at one of your favorite sites.
And in the meantime, like and subscribe to follow us on our adventures.
Until next time, stay curious. Cheers. That was good.